Today I'm going to show you how to put this top on this old rustic table. I do have this wide pine board that I'm going to use as a top, and what I've done is marked it on each end so I know where the metal is, and I can tell from the sides just by how wide the table is. So I'm going to place that, and then I'm going to drill some pocket holes so I can put some screws down through the bottom of the table and into the top. I'm going to use this Craig jig. This is an inexpensive one, but it works really well. This drill bit comes with it, and this is a depth indicator that's you can move up and down this shaft using an Allen wrench to loosen and tighten it. And this gets placed here, but you have to be really careful on how long your screw you're using, because when this goes in like this, your screw head is going to be here, and then the screw threads and shaft will be here. And whereas this is set, all depends on how long a screw you're using. So I've figured this all out, and this works for the screws I'm using in those things, and I have everything lined up the way I want it. So I'm going to place this in here and then drill the hole. This is my screw. I think it's 1.25 inches. That down into that pocket hole. I'm using a Phillips head with an extension on. Because of the angle here, you need a longer bit. And snug that up. Now I'm going to drill pocket holes all the way around the perimeter. I'm actually going to put a total of 3 on each side and 1 on each end. I will put a link in the description below of where you can purchase this Craig jig. They work really well for doing pocket holes. And here's the table with the new top on it. I really like the looks of it. It's an old pine board. It must be at least 1 foot wide. And it's got kind of a colorization to it that makes it look so it looks really nice. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.